Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to Vicky's channel, and for today's recipe it is curry pork, currypork, because whenever I say it, it sounded like curry pop. Anyway, this recipe I got it from a DHM member named Bernice on, and it's been a while since I've cooked this, so I'll just cook based on what I remember of the recipe. I have my pork slice cut up. It's actually one big chunk of pork. It's called, in Hokkien we call it euchibak, and then after that I slice it into a very thin slices, then marinate it with some oyster sauce, sesame oil and minced garlic. I'm gonna mix this up and then let it sit for 10 minutes, and we are gonna start cooking our curry pork. So over here I'm gonna heat up my pan with some sesame oil and oil. The funny thing is, when my husband asked me, why do you add sesame oil in curry, but it just somehow tastes good, to me at least. So if you are not comfortable in using sesame oil in your curry, you can leave it out and then just use any type of oil that you prefer. In the pan I added some onions, and I am going to saute this for 1 to 2 minutes until I can smell the fragrant aroma of the onions. Only then I'll adding in my the marinated pork slices, and I will cook these pork slices until about 90% cooked. Other than this, you can actually use chicken slices, pork belly, fish slices, and even squid. Then once the pork slices about to cook, we are gonna add in 1 heaped tablespoon of meat curry powder. I am using meat curry powder because I'm cooking with pork slices. So if you are cooking with fish slices or squid, then you have to change it to fish curry powder. Give this a stir, and then I'm gonna add in 1 cup of water and bring this to boil. And then I'm gonna let this simmer until the curry sauce reduces to at least half. If you like my recipe or my video, please hit the likes button, and don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, just click on the red subscribe button. Once the curry reduces about half, we can give it a taste and see if we need to do any adjustment to it. For me, it tastes okay, so I'm not doing any adjustment, but you can adjust if there's need to. Then just dish it up and serve it warm. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!